G'day guys, we're down here at Western Filters and today we're going to be talking catch cans, the Provent catch can from Western Filters. And if you want to find out how to get 10% off, hang around to find out more. Now why should you choose the Provent catch can from Western Filters? Well, this kit is like no other on the market. You're going to get the Provent 200 and then we're also going to get vehicle specific hoses. Now this is where they're leading the class in the kits. These are a one-piece hose. It's going to look OEM when you install it. And the good thing about this kit is it's also made for the DIY enthusiast. You guys can have this on the car within 15 minutes. So how often do you need to change the filter element inside the Provent catch can? Well, it's recommended about every 40,000 Ks. So how do you get that 10% off? Well, simply all you've got to do is subscribe to their newsletter and you're going to get 10% off your first order. And if you guys want to find out any more information about these catch can kits from Western Filters, jump onto their website at westernfilters.net.au.